What's going on, guys? Do you rock a Bambu Labs A1, A1 Mini, and you're getting some weird printing issues, almost like a clog, but you see your nozzle moving just a little bit up and down? I'll show you a clip right here of it happening. For somebody else, I'm gonna show you how to fix that really quick. There's a couple things it could be, but the number one issue I found is actually behind the plate. What's going on, guys? Sorry for the angle. Hopefully y'all can see everything. So this is a Bambu Labs A1 combo, and this printer has right at 5,000 hours on it. Pretty incredible machines. They last a long time. So I'm gonna show you, let me grab a nozzle really quick. So a lot of people have this issue of the nozzle's locked in, they think everything's going fine, but the print's turning out really wonky and just not very good. But they don't catch that the nozzle itself is actually, this whole heat sink right here is moving up and down, and they're like, oh, well, it must be clogged, or it must be this band that holds it. No, most of the time it's not. I'm going to show you exactly what it is. So you're going to remove these 3 screws right here. And after doing this on one printer, I went around and did it on all of them, and it was pretty shocking how many of them had this issue, or was going to end up having this issue. This will cause bed adhesion, it'll cause streaking lines, heat pattern. You'll notice it. So if you flip this down, you're going to notice that there are 4 additional screws. Like I said, this poor printer's seen a lot of hours. You're gonna notice these 4 screws right here. See if I can get to my tools. I think I can. I got one right here, hold on. I would put the camera right in the way of all the tools. So these 4 screws right here, oh yeah, they're loose. Real loose. Tighten those up, then reassemble it, and you're good to go. That, no lie, will cause that issue. It's pretty wild because you wouldn't think it would, but it does, because it holds this plate to that plate. So you tighten up these top ones, you're like, oh, it's good, but no, this piece down here is actually what's moving and causing that issue. So hopefully this video helps you all out. If it did, drop a comment down below. If it didn't, let me know what solved your issue. And I know, I gotta order a new hot end for this one. This one looks pretty bad, but hey, it still works. We're gonna keep rocking it. That's the original one. This printer's a year old, got about 5,000 hours of print time on it. It's in for 5,000 hour maintenance is what I have it down for. And shockingly, it has this top mount. And this is the original top mount that I printed for it out of random colors I had laying around. None of the top mounts broke. It hasn't messed up my X, Y, Z axis, none of them. And as you can see, it does rock a little because in the back of these, they have little compression rings that kind of act like springs. And those have pretty much flattened, to say the least. Just shows if you maintain these printers, they'll last you a long time. Now, just reassemble. Go ahead and purge the filament. And you're good to go.